together with this person and maybe try to use this opportunity to explain things about Islam to them, if you have the time. And rendering humanitarian services to the poor, to the needy, and to people who are really in need of your help, like orphans, like widows, like unemployed people. You can think of so many ways through which you can help these people. You can make a stand for Islam in their contact. Writing letters to the kings and rulers, maybe this will be not practical here, but you can write to your neighbor and he will answer you letter. Usually, maybe if you are in a position to invite, each one will be in their own capacity. If you have contacts with the governor, maybe you will invite the governor. But if you have contacts only with your local neighbors, this will be your area of working. I hope that we have covered some of the points about the methods and different channels of communication with non-Muslims through which you can propagate the message of Islam. And I'm sure that you will be, inshallah, able to figure out some more methods. And inshallah, I would be very much appreciating your work if you can inform me about them. And I pray Almighty Allah that He will benefit us with all what we have learned today, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us so successful in life. Do you have any particular questions before we go now?
Sometimes you feel that the person in front of you is not willing to hear what you're going to say, and you're afraid of that you will be embarrassed or offended by him. So what can you do with that?
Well, although we will have the particular separate lecture that discusses the different categories of your targets. We call them targets or contactees. We will have a specific session for this. But again, you have to use your own, talents, your own wisdom in, where to stop and when to talk and what to say. You are the only person who can decide if this person is willing or not, if he is interested or not. Do not push him, do not force him. And remember, you are only a warner. You bring them some news about Islam. إنما أنت مذكر. You are a reminder for them about the teachings of Islam, about the message of Islam. But if they are not willing to hear more of it, you are not under any obligation to carry on, to give some more. And if you think that this person maybe now he is overloaded with work and he's thinking of some more serious problems to him or so, his mindset is not now prepared to hear more of you about Islam. This doesn't mean that he's offending you, he's not interested, but now it is not maybe the right time for him or her to hear more about it. So you know where to stop and how to be very intelligent with him or with her.
Know exactly what Prophet Muhammad do with the thing, the similar thing, what he...
Yeah, this is what I'm saying here, that